tell you all, whenever you look up to the sky, the natural phenomena that can be seen is cloud. The cloud is named by Rutherford Howard, who was an amateur meteorologist, and he wrote a book which is the title of the essay of modification of cloud to describe the cloud. So the cloud is one of the natural phenomena on Earth, and as one of the branch of the meteorology. Whether the weather is sunny or overcast, the clouds are always in the sky. This is because this is a tangible result in the Earth's lunar cycle. And then the cloud is formed from the water vapor in the atmosphere. When the sunlight on the Earth's surface, the water will evaporate into the water vapor. So the water vapor is when the water vapor is supersaturated, the water molecule will gather into air. While the water vapor is cool, and it was condensed into the water droplet or liquid ice crystal. So when the sunlight scatters into all directions, finally the visible cloud will form in the sky. Usually we see the cloud have different colors such as pure white, jet black, gray, deep gray, yellow, or red. But in the fact, the cloud is in the sky are pure white. This is because the thickness of the cloud and the angle of the sunlight that exposed to. So the cloud can see in different color. Good afternoon. I've been to Miss Vidyawani and all fellow audience. Today I'm here and I want to share with you the topic which is cloud. So the three types that I want to inform you all is cirrus cloud, autostratus cloud, and cumulus cloud. The first type of the cloud is cirrus cloud. Look at the slide. They have two different color, two different appearance, which is the cirrus cloud in the noon and in the evening. So the cirrus cloud, they have different appearance, and they have made from the long strand of the ice crystal, and they also described as the feather-like, tear-like, and layer. And then the cirrus cloud are quick transparent. This is so the sun can be seen. To give the example, the cirrus cloud can reflect the sun, which when they are rising, and they also can give the shade of the yellow or red. And then the cirrus cloud also can look in the color of gray when they are near in the dusk. The cirrus cloud are formed from the cloud base, which is usually at the altitude of the 20,000 to 40,000 feet of the feet above the sea level. So the cirrus cloud are usually quick transparent. However, the cirrus cloud also can form from the hollow. Whatever the process of the cirrus cloud is generated, as a result, the greater of the rising of the air, which enable the small content of the water vapor present in the air to undergo deposition of the ice. So the cirrus cloud consisting of entirely of the ice crystal, so they can get the whitish appearance, and they also can design the different shape, or which is feather-like or wispy. Then the cirrus cloud also can develop due to the contrast, which is the vapor trail that left by the plant through the flight in the can extend out into the cirrocumulus and cirrostratus. I also want to inform you all whether the cirrus cloud is formed when the front of the worm approach or the low pressure of the system. And then the cirrus cloud, when as in the front of the approach, they will also become thicker or lower. So gradually, the cirrus cloud become thicker or lower. There may be particles of the strong or unstable of the weather. Now is the first of the type of the cloud. So let's we move to the second type of the cloud, which is autostratus cloud. In the slide of the autostratus cloud, they show the typical gray or blue tinted and the blanket light, and they occur in the same level of the roughly, and then they also lack of the signature characteristics, and they also do not give rise of the precipitation. Autostratus cloud are made from the cloud base, which is 6,500 to 20,000 feet of the sea level. And then the autostratus cloud have two types of humidity, which is interior and outer. When in the interior of the cloud, the humidity is usually higher, and while in the cloud base, they are usually lower. So they have a large area in the sky and have a few of features. To explain, autostratus clouds are formed from the higher level and have the composed of the mixture of the water vapor and ice crystal. And then the autostratus cloud, they cannot catch the shadow when the sun is exposed to, because the stratus cloud is thicker. But the sun can be seen through the inner high cloud. To give the example, the autostratus cloud has many variety, which is the pattern-based variety and thicker-based variety. To inform the autostratus cloud usually is the first cloud in the worm front approach. And behind the front, the layer of the cloud will become deeper and thickened, and then it will become the nimbostratus cloud, and it will bring the snow or rainbow. So this means the weather is changed in the horizontal, since they are also have the ice crystal in the autostratus cloud. So it also can have some optical effect that can be seen, such as coroners. Then we will look at the third type of the cloud, which is cumulus cloud. To describe the cumulus cloud, which is puffy or curtain-like in the sky, with the flat bottom and bright white, the sunshine also will illuminate the cumulus cloud in the billowing shape. This is because they are often in the deep shadows in contrast. The cumulus cloud also form in the cloud base, which is 1,200 to 6,500 feet. To summarize, we can predict the weather to look at the cumulus cloud. When we see the cumulus cloud is sunny, so it will not be rain. While when we look, the cumulus cloud is condensed, and it will form the and it will form the cumulonimbus cloud, so it will be rain. Cumulus clouds are caused by airflow, which is the rising of the air competition will suddenly cause the rising of the hot air. So when the temperature is reached at the dew point, the water vapor will condense into the water droplet, and it will form the cumulus cloud. To inform, the cumulus cloud also can transition into the other pattern when the condition is allowed. When the atmosphere is warm, moisture, and unstable rising air, the cumulus cloud will may become into tall, such as the cauliflower-like of the cumulonimbus, and they also have the greater potential for the rain. All of the above is the three types of the cloud that I want to inform everyone. To conclude this topic, the cirrus cloud, autostratus cloud, and cumulus cloud, they have the distinct function in the weather pattern and the atmospheric observation. Cirrus cloud, which from the high level and they are thin, and they also has the frequently presaged to the weather change. And then the autostratus cloud is the mid-level, and there are also possibility of the lack of the precipitation. And the last is the cumulus cloud. They are the fluffy cotton-like look, and then they also at the low altitude and associate with the good weather, but they also can develop into the storm cloud. Understanding the cloud from it in the weather forecasting and emphasize the dynamic nature of the environment. That's all from me. Now I will open the Q&A question.
If cloud were metaphor for emotion, what emotion would cirrus, autostratus, and cumulus cloud represent?
In my opinion, the cirrus cloud could represent by the hope, and then the autostratus cloud may be the introspection, and the cumulus cloud can represent the giant.
What role do clouds play in mitigating or exacerbating global warming?
The cloud can reflect the sunlight, cooling the earth, but they also can trap the heat, especially in the night, to contribute the warming. Thank you.